What's good, people? My name is Victoria and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about how I washed my starter locks. I did this after 2 weeks of having them installed. Before we get into that, if you haven't done so already, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new video, and of course comment below, let me know what you'd like to see about my lock journey, my hair in general, any good stuff, any topics that you think I should be covering, or anything that you'd like for me to share. Right, let's get into it, guys. So I decided to wash my hair after about 2 weeks of having it installed. I had a bit of product residue and I just felt like I wanted water in my hair, so I did it. So as you can see here, this is some cheap drugstore shampoo, banana flavor, smells amazing. I don't know what the nutritional, but I don't know what the value is to my hair. My staple conditioner that I always use is Tresemme, and I tend to mix between any of the ranges that they've got. And I usually use the ones that have more focus on moisture or dry hair. So here you can see me literally just wetting my hair. I prefer to put shampoo on damp hair rather than on crispy dry hair. I just feel like it helps the shampoo lather up better and actually do its job. So this is what I'm doing now. Come back in the shower and I'm literally using like a £2 coin size of shampoo, and I'm massaging that all over my scalp. I put the shampoo on my scalp first and work down, and I'm using the tips of my fingers, so the finger pads, to scrub only my scalp. When it comes to the rest of my hair, I tend to use a ringing motion. Once I've done all of that, go straight in and rinse it out. I did this twice. Just to make sure that I had all of the dirt out of my hair, and it wasn't too bad because, like I said, it was only 2 weeks old, but yeah, your girl just wanted water on her scalp, so here it is. So now I'm going in with the conditioner. I use a lot of conditioner on my hair, and I start off opposite way, so I put them mainly on the oldest parts of my hair, which is obviously the ends, and I'm trying to make sure, because my curl pattern's 4C, 4B, it tends to grab onto itself and I get a lot of single strand knots, so focusing the conditioner on the ends of my hair helps to make sure that I don't get tangling, knotting, that sort of thing. What I'm doing here, obviously keeping my hair in a bun, and I'm going to leave that to sit for a while. So I'm back. First and foremost, apologies for the blurry video. I don't know what happened to the footage. Maybe the water was too hot. What I'm showing you here is that you can basically see I've got beautiful bouncy curls, and I haven't even got to the point where I'm rinsing the conditioner out, but you can see that the product really worked well. Rinsing it out here with lukewarm water. So when I wash my hair with shampoo, I use hot water, and then I tend to get colder towards the end of my wash. I've put in another clip here of another wash day just so that you can see that I tend to use the same technique. And again, you can see that I'm letting the water run from my scalp all the way down to the ends of the hair, squeezing it, and then I just let the water run through again. I'm not doing any of this rubbing action, if that makes sense. And you can see that's consistent across both videos. So you can see my scalp is clean. Clearly I am tired for some reason. Yeah, wash day is long. It's so much easier obviously having locks, but yeah. One of the things that I actually noticed is that some of the twists started to unravel because they were really moist, and they basically started to expand. My hair expands once it gets wet, so I had a couple of twists that came undone, and then I had to retwist them. They were mainly around the perimeter or the edge of my hair. Other than that, it was an easy job. So I'm giving you a bit of a close-up here just so that you can see that my twist pattern was still intact for the most part, and my curl pattern was just lovely and juicy. Right, so I let my hair air dry, and that's basically it for my wash day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. As I mentioned before, subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, and let me know what you'd like me to cover in future videos. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.